Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn body parts. Listen and learn with me. Head, the top part of the body. The head holds our mind and thoughts. Hair, hair grows on the head. It can be long or short. Forehead, the front of the head above the eyes. It is where we feel our thinking. Eye, we see with our eyes. They help us see the world around us. Eyebrow, hair above the eye. It gives our face expression. Eyelash, small hair on the eye. They protect our eyes from dust. Ear, we hear with our ears. Ears catch sounds from everywhere. Nose, we smell with our nose. It helps us enjoy good food. Mouth, we eat and talk with our mouth. It is very important for communication. Lips, the outside of the mouth. They help us make sounds. Teeth, we bite food with our teeth. Strong teeth are very important. Tongue, we taste food with our tongue. It tells us if food is sweet or sour. Cheek, the side of the face. We can feel our cheeks getting warm when we smile. Chin, the bottom of the face. It helps us keep our head up. Neck, the neck holds the head up. It connects the head to the body. Shoulder, the shoulder joins the arm to the body. It helps us lift our arms. Arm, we lift and hold things with our arms. Arms are very strong. Elbow, the bend in the arm. It helps us move our arms. Hand, we hold things with our hands. Hands are very useful. Finger, part of the hand. We have many fingers for different tasks. Thumb, the short, strong finger. The thumb helps us grip. Nail, hard part on the fingertip. Nails protect our fingers. Chest, the front of the upper body. It protects our heart and lungs. Back, the rear side of the body. It supports us when we stand or sit. Waist, the middle of the body. It helps us turn. Hip, the side of the waist. Hips help us move our legs. Leg, we walk with our legs. Strong legs help us run and jump. Thigh, the top part of the leg. It has strong muscles. Knee, the bend in the leg. It lets us move our legs easily. Foot, we stand on our feet. Feet help us balance. Toe, part of the foot. We have 5 toes on each foot. Heel, the back part of the foot. It helps us walk. Ankle joins the leg and foot. The ankle helps us move. Heart, the heart pumps blood in the body. It keeps us alive. Brain, we think with our brain. It helps us learn. Stomach, holds and digests food. The stomach is very important for digestion. Lungs, help us breathe. Lungs take in air. Bone, hard parts inside the body. Bones give shape to our body. Muscle helps the body move. Muscles are strong and help us work. Skin covers the whole body. Skin protects us from outside. Great job. Now you know body parts. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.